Okay, this is a very quick overview of the new MCAB wiki. The MCAB wiki is located at mcab for pmi.pbworks.com. pbworks, formerly known as pbwiki, is a software that we're using that is a much friendlier editing software than many others. The front page is the beginning of the wiki, and what you'll likely do is you'll likely receive an email at some point, and you'll be invited to join the wiki. And here's an invitation I sent to myself at another location. It says M. Fisher at IRG has sent you an invitation for the wiki, and you log in here, and you'll be able then to get on as one of several possible levels of users. Again, the front page talks about various sections. Getting started on the wiki is described here, and it tells you how to use the wiki, how to access it, gives you an idea of what the different levels of the platforms are. Open access to read only. If you want to write or post any information, you can be a writer or an editor. And then for the people in IRG who are managing this process, we are the only people allowed to be at the administrator levels. Permission is needed again for these two levels. It's either a writer or editor. Most of the people in the PMI program will probably be at the writer level, meaning that you can change pages, add text, upload files, edit information. Editing is actually quite easy. In order to edit, you go up to this Edit tab. You go in here. Maybe you want to add some text. Hello. If I can spell hello. My name is. And then you save it. And it will then show up as hello, my name is. If in fact, as an administrator, we look at it and say, wait a minute, things are messed up, we can actually go back to the prior version of this and change it. But I'm going to do something more readily easy to do, and that is simply back out of here and save it again. I've plucked off a few of the pages. When you'll see up here, pages that we've thus well provided include best practices in public health management, some environmental concerns about it, background, and quite a few other pages. But what we're anticipating is that as users of the wiki, that we'll collaboratively develop information regarding environmental management. The first effort that we're doing is trying to identify best practices in IRS public health management. We've set up this page, which sets up basically a framework for thinking. There are tools in here when we want to assess a best management practice for its strengths, weaknesses on a variety of factors. Sorry about that. Let me get back into where I am. And here you have the SWOT analysis again, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. There are information on environmental, I need to click out of this again, environmental concerns, and as we evolve, we'll post additional information there. We also have parking lot and other data, because there's quite a bit of information that will be in here. We can embed movies. There's a movie about land disposal and the problems of land disposal that should be playable.
The anatomy and problems of a landfill.
On
more than 70%
of the
over 200 million tons of waste that the US
and
disposes
if you click,
of each
you
year
could actually go back to YouTube itself. So it's a fairly significant
Once these were open pits,
if I can get out
but
of here.
nowadays landfills use a variety of controls to reduce the impact on the...
You go back to the front page. We're hopeful that people will be able to use this. That's enough.